Hi, can I help you?
Hey, I'm new here and don't know how to use any of this gym equipment.
No worries, I'm here to help. Let's start with the basics.
Okay, where should I start?
Let's begin with the treadmill. It's an excellent way to warm up before your workout.
How fast should I go?
Start at a slow pace and gradually increase it. Aim for a moderate intensity level and stick with it for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Got it. What's next?
Let's move on to the weight machines. They're great for building strength and toning your muscles.
How do I use them?
Each machine has instructions on how to use it, and I'll show you how to adjust the weight and use proper form.
Thanks, I'm starting to feel more comfortable now.
That's great to hear. Remember to take it slow and listen to your body. Don't try to do too much too soon.
Will do, thanks for your help.
Anytime. Let's get started on your workout.